Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Ni vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Everyone, this is Somya and you're watching Global Tales. First of all, thank you so much for your lovely and warm wishes. My birthday was really very special because I got so many wishes and blessings from all of you. I promise to deliver my best and be responsible with what I do. Thank you very much. So today I am going with a planned workout video. There will be different 7 variations of a planned workout that you need to follow for the next 7 days. It is a very effective, not that easy, but very effective workout. And the best thing is that I'm going to do it with you. Like, I'm not going to edit it. The appropriate amount of seconds that I am able to do, you are just going to follow it. Second thing, after the workout, I have a special drink for all of you. That drink will be perfect for your flat belly, will help you to fight diabetes, PCOD, thyroid, and everything. Will be the best drink for the summers. Has a great cooling effect, and yeah, it also promotes weight loss. So this one drink is like a substitute to my magic drink that I shared last time, but this is particularly for summers. So make sure that you check that recipe out. It will be after this workout, so watch this video through the end. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be up with so many more videos on my channel, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.
Bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag. should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. 'Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger. 'Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Bring it back. 'Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger. 'Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag. 'Cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. 'Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger. 'Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Ni vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and
So that's about the 7 days workout. That was not so easy but very very effective. It actually activates your core muscles, works on your overall body, will give you that strength and power that is required by your body, because we have been following these challenges since so long now. So I wanted you to upgrade your level to one step more, and if you're a beginner, then I would recommend to go and check out my previous challenges first and then come up to this challenge, because yeah, this is a little advanced version of these challenges, because otherwise you won't be able to do it and crash and muscle soreness would be there. And also before doing this workout, make sure that you do a proper warm-up. There would be many warm-up videos that are available on my channel. Very simple yet very effective drink for all of you. Perfect summer drink, has a very great cooling effect. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the recipe.
Mint, being one of the best antioxidant, is very delightful and refreshing to use. Whenever we add this to any recipe, it actually gives a cooling effect and is best for summers. As being a natural antioxidant, adding this to a drink makes it very beneficial for people having diabetes, PCOD and thyroid. Apart from this, we have cumin seeds, that is jeera powder, turmeric, lemon and some hot water. The recipe is very simple. All we need to do is add some lemon to the hot boiling water and then 1/4 spoon of turmeric and 1/4 spoon of jeera powder. After that, we need to add 10 to 15 leaves of mint and then keep it aside for about 5 minutes. Now, talking about the benefits of cumin seeds and turmeric. The purpose of adding cumin seeds to this drink was because it has great properties of indigestion, and as a result, it has been proved to give great weight loss results. Also, it helps people with diabetes and having blood cholesterol and many other problems. Now, talking about the benefits of turmeric, it's a great antiseptic, and having it in summer actually helps you to get rid of the toxins of your body. So, if you had something that is junk for the previous day, you can have this drink and can have be very beneficial to get rid of the toxins from your body. So this is a very special, very effective drink. So if you are someone who has going through diabetes, PCOD, thyroid, or even blood cholesterol, even looking for a weight loss results, this drink is just very perfect for summers. So must try it out and let me know how you feel after having this.
So that's about this video. I hope you found the workout and the drink very useful. I hope you will try them out, and in the next 7 days I'll get to see your results and know about it more. So don't forget to mention your results. Use hashtag FC with Somya and hashtag GGT family. We'll be up with more and many more videos. Keep loving me like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will be up with so many more videos on this channel. So yeah, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy, bye.